Meet the JBL Go 4, a compact Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful, rich sound with bold bass wherever you go. Small in size but big on performance, it's your perfect on-the-go companion for music anytime, anywhere. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker, USB-C charge cable, and user manual. How to pair. Turn on Bluetooth in your phone settings, then power on the JBL Go 4 speaker. Activate pairing mode if needed, select JBL Go 4 from available devices, and tap Pair to connect successfully. Next, download the JBL Portable app from Play Store or App Store, install and open it, accept permissions, and once setup is complete, your speaker will be successfully connected. You can now customize settings and manage your speaker easily through the app. How to charge. The JBL Go 4 charges through its USB-C port, making it quick and convenient to power up. Simply connect the USB-C cable to the speaker and plug the other end into a charger, laptop, PC, or any compatible power source. It supports fast and flexible charging, so you can easily recharge it anywhere and keep your music going without long interruptions. Smart features? Don't let its small size fool you. JBL Go 4 delivers big JBL Pro Sound with clear audio and punchy bass for an immersive listening experience. It is tuned to produce loud, balanced sound that feels much bigger than a compact speaker. The JBL Go 4 is extremely compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your hand, pocket, or bag anywhere you go. It also comes with a built-in loop design so you can clip it to your backpack for effortless travel and convenience. The JBL Go 4 comes with an IP67 rating, making it fully protected against dust and built to handle tough outdoor conditions. It can also survive water exposure, so you can enjoy your music worry-free at the beach, pool, or outdoors. Delivers up to 7 hours of continuous music on a single charge, keeping your entertainment going throughout the day. With efficient battery optimization, it ensures reliable playback for travel, outdoor use, and daily listening without frequent charging. Supports Auracast technology, allowing you to wirelessly connect multiple compatible speakers for a bigger, louder sound experience. You can also pair two speakers together to enjoy true stereo sound and a more immersive audio experience. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL Go 4 Bluetooth speaker. See you at the next one.